Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on aeroplane mode, and after on guys how can we use internet while on flight mode. Friends, you want to use guys your aeroplane mode, and friends in your aeroplane mode guys you want to use guys your phone internet settings. And how to use it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your Google phone setting guys. After on phone setting we will search here phone aeroplane mode setting guys. So we will search here a, as you can see guys, aeroplane mode guys we will search here. So once you can see aeroplane mode setting guys, we will tap here to on it. So once you want to on, so guys you can on from here. After on guys your phone calls means SMS, and guys your phone mobile data will off, but guys you want to use guys internet, hence you can connect Wi-Fi network while on flight mode. So guys we will on it. So after on guys Wi-Fi setting guys you want to connect any network, so hence you can connect. Hence you can see I have connected this already, this 5G network, but guys I want to connect this network. So example for guys we will select network and guys we will connect. So password guys you can check guys your Wi-Fi password from here and connect option. Hence you can see this Wi-Fi will connect. So guys you can see my aeroplane mode is on. So guys I can use guys Wi-Fi in my aeroplane mode setting, and friends I can use this YouTube app, and get this app guys I can use in my Google phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on aeroplane mode, and after on guys how to use internet. And friends you don't want to use guys, you want to off it, so friends you can off from here guys your aeroplane mode setting. Aeroplane mode will off, then guys SIM network will available, hence you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your aeroplane mode setting guys, phone internet setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.